Oh, I love this smell. Guys, for those who miss Thailand, this is the smell of Thailand. Oh, look at this. Too much. So today, let me prepare the Prik Nam Pla. What is the Prik Nam Pla, Mon? Prik Nam Pla is a condiment that Thai people always add in every dish to create stronger flavor. What do we need now? Fish sauce. What else? Chili. Here we go. Garlic and lime. So guys, mostly local Thai restaurants, they always have Prik Nam Pla on the table. Start with the garlic. Just thin slice of garlic. Next thing you're gonna slice is the chili here. How much chili? A lot. Here we go. Thin slice. Lime. Okay, I keep one big chunk and then I slice the skin. Oh, we can eat the skin as well. Then slice them, yeah. This. Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna put all this in small little bowl. Here we go. Oh la la. Next thing is the main star here, fish sauce. In Thai again, Nam Pla. Squeeze the bottle in here. Squeeze this lamp. Bring up here. Squeeze here, guys. Wow. Look at this. Oh, the smell of fish sauce, the garlic, chili, and the lime here. Guys, wow, this is what Thai people always eat with rice. So guys, if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. Thank you so much, guys.